Well, good people. That is the close of business for all of us here at the Potter's House. We had our Christmas party. It was wonderful, man. I'm gonna tell you, man. I know y'all get sick of me talking about it, but I got to let the Lord know how grateful I am. This is a wonderful, wonderful job. I mean, it was a wonderful Christmas party. Bishop Jake spares no expense whatsoever when it comes to the people that work for him, and he really showed his appreciation today, and indeed in speech, what he said to us, and then just the Christmas bonus, and allowing us to leave now. As soon as the Christmas party was over, we're allowed to leave. We're off work for 2 weeks, and it's still paid. We get paid to not be working. Now the music department, our work really pretty much never stops because we still have to be prepared for Sunday mornings and New Year's Eve and watch night service. So we'll still have to prepare to do that stuff, but I don't have to get up every morning and come into the office. I pretty much work. We work from wherever because my whole job pretty much is email, answering my ministry cell phone, and you could take care of issues or whatever, and you really don't have to be right at the desk. So I just feel so privileged, so blessed, so honored by God. And when we were when First Lady got up to talk, and she was saying how she had prayed, and she was saying how we definitely should be thankful for being able to work in ministry and not just have a good job, but it's a job that's in ministry. And it's so crazy. I was just telling my supervisor this yesterday. I said it's not that it's just such a good job and the pay is so great and stuff like that, because it is, but it's not only that, it's the fact that I'm doing ministry work. I'm working for God, and so it's enjoyable. Okay, I'm gonna hit y'all back later.